Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture we will take a look how we can use this type tool, or yes, type tool only. So what is this type tool? This type tool is a tool which will help us in drawing some text or to write some text. Yes friend. So let's select the type tool first. And by now you already know that to work with any tool, first of all you need to select that tool. So let's select this type tool. Now let's come here and let's write here, say hello everyone. So this is the text. Now what I have done is let me show you once again. Let's say hi. Okay. So what I have done is I write something here and then I just deselect the type tool by selecting any other tool. So this is the shortcut method of using the type tool. Yes friend. So now you can now edit this, say hi John. You can add some text, you can delete some text. So that's simple. You are already familiar with this kind of stuff. But now you can move this text using the selection tool, say, and with this bounding box you can even scale it, and for scaling it proportionally you need to hold the shift key. Just like this. And you can also provide a fill color to this, and you can also provide a stroke color to this. You can increase your stroke size. Okay. Now let's select the direct selection tool and try to select one text, say the H1. But we can select this H separately. Whenever we are trying to select a single letter, the whole layer is getting selected. Which layer? This layer. Hi John, this layer. For selecting individual letter, we need to expand this layer. Yes friend. And for expanding any object, you need to go to the object menu and you need to click on expand. And you will see this window popping up. Expand the object, of course, and expand the fill, of course. Let's click on OK. And now using the direct selection tool, you can select each letter. Oops. Yup, you can also distort its shape. You can select H and you can change its color to something else. Select J, you can select, you can make it something else. Okay. Now again let's write something, say life is beautiful. Yep, let's increase it by using bounding box. But now another thing is that let's come here at the top in this option menu. Here you will see various options. Opacity is there. You can control its opacity. You can control the fill color, the stroke color that we have already seen. Now let's come here, this character panel. See, just click on this character panel. You can change the font family. And here you will see all the font family that are there in your machine. You can even change those one by one. Let's select this one. You can make it say Britannic bold. This is the one. I like this one. Here you can change the font weight. Let's select something else. Arial. You can make it narrow, italic. Now what are the options that you see here? It depends on the font family which you are selecting. Okay. Now here it controls the size, but you can see that highest is 72, but it's not. You can even write here manually. Let's say 152. And after you have written here some numbers, just you need to just select somewhere else other than here. Let's come here and see. Now it got implemented. Yeah, yeah, there are many who thinks that after changing here the number it will automatically get changed, but no, it will not get affected unless you deselect this what do you say, drop down. Yep, you can also click on this drop down to make a change. Let's say let's make it 72. Now let's change it to 144, which is double of 72, right? Now again let's click on this drop down and see it got changed to 144. So yeah, so just change the number and click on this arrow. That's it. This is the shortcut you can remember, right? Okay, and not only a single line, you can even write a paragraph also. Yeah, so let's select the type tool and let's write here something. Say first of all let's reduce it to 36 pixel and let's write here something. Let's go to the next line, write something, next line, write. Okay, now using the move tool or this selection tool, let's move it here. And now here you will see an option that is paragraph panel. Let's click on this paragraph panel. Here you will see few options. These are alignment options. This is align left. Next we have align center. Let's click on it. See, now the texts are aligned at the center, right? Next we have align right. See? So just try to experiment with these stuffs. These are not that tough. You will understand by yourself only. See, we are shifting it. See here, we are shifting the text by how much point? 5 points towards left, or sorry, towards right from the left. And see, we are moving the text. This is the line height, I guess. Let's select this one. Yeah, since this is a single line, it will not get affected. Let's explore the character panel. Yep, you already know this stuff, right? This is the font size. You can edit it. This is the line height. This is set the leading. Yep, it's line height only, I guess. Then this is, oops, let's select this one. Auto, let's make it optical. So just try to play around with it. That's it. This is the spacing between the characters. This is the vertical scaling. So we are scaling the, we are increasing the size of the text, but we are increasing only the height, not the width. And this one is horizontal scaling. Okay. And next we have the baseline shift. So we are shifting the text towards up. And next it is, we are rotating the text. And see. Oh my god. It's fun, right? And then we have some other options. This is all caps. This is small caps. This is superscript, underline, and strike through. And this is the anti-aliasing option: none, sharp, crisp, strong. I recommend that you don't make it none, because texts look nice with crisp or sharp. Okay guys, so that's it. So yeah, just try to play around with it, and you will understand that how to work with it. Yeah, so in this lecture what we have seen how we can work with this type tool. I know there are many. This will be covered in our next lecture. Yes friend, so for now in this lecture we have understood how we can use the type tool. We have explored the character panel and this paragraph panel, and here is some alignment options. These will be covered in a separate section. A section is there for this alignment and all. There these options will be covered, so don't worry about it now. Have patience. Slowly at the end of this course you will have enormous confidence in yourself regarding this Illustrator. Yes friend, just believe me and have some patience. And while taking each lecture, if you have an issue understanding some concept, please feel free to let me know. Yes friend, so that's it guys. In this lecture we have seen how we can work with the type tool, how we can increase the size of the text that we are writing, how we can increase the spacing between each letter, how we can change the color, and how we can even work with individual letter. Remember, we need to expand that text layer in order to work with individual letter. Okay guys, so I think that by now you have got the concept of how to work with this type tool. In our next lecture we will explore some more options here, but that will not take much time, because understanding how to work with type tool is important. Yes friend, so that's it. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.